26th of November 2020, and this is actually just 4 days from when this residential building, the day when the first tenants moved here will be 40 years ago. On the 30th of November in 1980 it was finished. And it has 7 floors, and it was indeed built in 1980. And 7 floors, yeah, and the serial number is H44550. Has these 4 birds, 30 and 25 grams. Amazing. But it doesn't have memory, it's simple. And it's, oh, battery is low, I need to change it.
Yeah.
This could be early 1980.
Yeah.
Looks still very much like late 1970s.
Yeah.
But I like it.
Same here.
While we're going down, I can take pictures.
Yeah.
And then you can go to the next staircase, I'll come there. If you don't want to take another ride, or if you take another ride.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we can take together.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start again here. Okay, so today it is the 26th of November 2020 and we have...
Spektiippaa kiva inspektointi maintained by Schiller.
Columnist, Lauttasaari, Tromsø, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. And we are actually only 4 days from when this the date when the first tenants moved into this residential building on the 30th of November 1980. That's 40 years ago in 4 days. And it was indeed built in 1980 and it has 7 floors and the serial number is H44550 and the capacity is 4 persons or 25 grams. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. Stick around. We will be able to get into all 3 staircases here.
Yeah.
Or it's easy. Since we found the code. This might be still from like the first half of 1980 because the doors look very much like late 1970s.
Yeah.
It's amazing. DMP8 fixtures. But it's a bit simple and a bit slow. It doesn't have memory and it's a bit slow.
Yeah.
But still amazing. The maintenance could have been better.
Yeah.
Something by Schiller. It looks like this shaft is like glazed or something. Yeah, it's not real glass, just this sort of.
That's